Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best energy-efficient ceiling fan you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many energy-efficient ceiling fan and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each energy-efficient ceiling fan so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an energy-efficient ceiling fan. First, check the energy efficiency rating or the Energy Star label, as this ensures the fan uses less electricity while giving strong airflow. Next, pay attention to the blade design and material, because aerodynamic blades move air better and reduce energy consumption. Also, consider the motor type. Modern DC motors are quieter and consume less power than traditional AC motors. Size matters too, so match the fan size to your room for best performance. Don't forget features like reversible rotation for seasonal use and remote controls for convenience. Finally, choose a durable brand that offers a good warranty for long-term value. Selecting the right combination of efficiency, size, and quality saves energy and money. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.